In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images in Canva. Cropping is a simple but powerful way to improve your designs. It lets you remove unwanted parts of a photo, zoom in on the important details, and make your layout look cleaner and more professional. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so even if you're new to Canva, you'll be able to follow along easily. First, make sure you have your design open in Canva and that you've already added an image onto your page. Once your image is on the canvas, the first thing you need to do is click on the image itself. When you select the image, you'll see a border appear around it, and a toolbar will pop up either above the design or near the top of the screen. This tells you that the image is active and ready to be edited. With the image selected, look at the toolbar and find the crop option. It usually shows up as an icon that looks like two overlapping right angles. Go ahead and click on that crop icon. As soon as you do, your image will switch into cropping mode. You'll see handles or corners appear around the image, and the rest of the screen may dim slightly to show you what area is currently selected. Now comes the actual cropping. Move your mouse to one of the corners or edges of the image, click, and drag inward or outward to adjust which parts of the image you want to keep. You can drag from the sides to make it narrower, from the top or bottom to change the height, or from the corners to adjust both at the same time. As you drag, pay attention to the part of the image that remains inside the highlighted area, because that's what will be visible after cropping. If you want to reposition the image within the crop box, click and hold inside the image and drag it around until the subject is centered or framed the way you like. This is especially useful if you're focusing on a face, a logo, or a specific detail. When you're happy with how it looks, simply click outside the image or hit enter on your keyboard to apply the crop. Your image will now appear trimmed to the new dimensions you set. And remember, if you change your mind later, you can always click the image again, choose crop, and adjust it as many times as you need.